A single piece of software just wiped billions of the market cap of the world's biggest chip makers. Last week, we told you TurboQuant was coming, and now it is officially here. The stock market is already feeling the burn. SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron are all seeing red today. The reason for this chaos is a new algorithm from Google that changes the very math of AI infrastructure forever. But here is the real story you need to understand. Most people think AI speed is all about the processor, but the real stumbling block has always been memory. Every time we talk to a chatbot, the system has to store the entire context of our conversation in something called a key value cache. As our conversations get longer, that cache explodes in size. That is where the cost thrives, and that is exactly where Google just launched a full-scale attack. TurboQuant is not about training the next massive model like Gemini or, for that matter, OpenAI's GPT-5. It targets inference, which is the moment the AI actually talks back to us. And this changes things because inference is where 90% of AI costs actually happen. TurboQuant uses a specialized compression technique to shrink that memory cache by up to 6 times. That is about a 6-time reduction in memory usage without losing accuracy. Quite remarkable. Basically, we can now, of course, run 6 times the workload on the exact same hardware we already own. The market saw this and panicked, because if AI needs less memory, then of course we need fewer memory chips. Correct? Not really. On the other hand, actually, it is the opposite. History has demonstrated that when a resource is cheaper and more efficient, people tend to use more of it. This is what is referred to as a classic efficiency paradox. So by lowering the cost per query, Google is opening the floodgates for massive agent workflows and giant code repositories. If an enterprise is running AI at scale, the bill for said enterprise just got significantly smaller. And this is important because TurboQuant is pure software. There is no retraining required and no expansive hardware upgrade needed. It works by compressing the relationships between words in real time as the model thinks. While competitors like DeepSeek are building models from scratch to be efficient, Google is making existing infrastructure smarter. And you know what? This is very interesting because the real winner here isn't just Google. It is actually any company building long context AI agents. And here, of course, if you're all set for it, is the front page take. It will be fascinating actually to see how this affects our favorite AI tools in the next few months. We are moving from a world of hardware scarcity to a world of software efficiency. The memory giants might be down today, but the AI era just got a massive performance boost. Please do let us know in the comments if you think software will eventually make hardware bottlenecks a thing of the past. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.